Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2022 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series, an exciting season full of drama, talent, and fierce competition. From thrilling finishes to record-breaking performances, let's take a quick look at how this season unfolded. 2022 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series kicked off with high expectations, as it featured 23 full-time entries and a host of new and returning drivers. This season was part of the larger NASCAR National Series, featuring some of the best up-and-coming drivers, as well as seasoned veterans of the sport. One key highlight from this season was the dominance of different teams and drivers. The series took place across a number of tracks, from the iconic Daytona International Speedway to Bristol, Las Vegas, and even Midwestern dirt tracks. The season was marked by impressive performances from both rookies and established drivers. Among the most notable was Zane, who had an outstanding season, ultimately winning the championship. Smith showed consistent form throughout the year, winning multiple races and positioning himself as one of the top competitors. There were also strong showings from drivers like John Hunter Nemechek and Ty Majeski. These drivers added some serious competition to the mix, and the results were often unpredictable, with several races going down to the wire. As for teams, ThorSport Racing and Kyle Busch Motorsports were at the forefront, often fielding drivers who battled it out for the coveted championship title. The 2022 season was jam-packed with incredible moments. A standout event came in the Daytona Truck Race, where a thrilling finish saw intense battles for position in the final laps. The season featured a mix of short-track racing, super speedways, and unique races on dirt tracks, giving fans everything they could hope for. One of the most memorable moments came during the Texas race, where a chaotic finish led to unexpected results and set the tone for the rest of the season. Another significant moment was the dirt race at Bristol, which always adds an extra layer of excitement, testing the skill and adaptability of the drivers. When the dust finally settled at the Phoenix Raceway, it was Zane who claimed the 2022 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series championship, becoming the youngest driver to win the title in recent years. Smith's consistency throughout the season, including multiple top 5 finishes, made him an undeniable contender. The final standings saw John Hunter Nemechek in second place and Ty Majeski rounding out the top 3. These drivers, along with several others, showcased incredible skill and determination throughout the season. To sum it up, the 2022 NASCAR Camping World Truck Series was full of excitement, unpredictability, and impressive performances from both veterans and new faces in the sport. With Zane securing the championship, it's clear that the future of NASCAR's Truck Series is in great hands. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let us know your favorite moments from the 2022 season. See you next time.